The last coat, tape, bed, skin, is a skim coat. Well, the last coat, tape, bed, skin, is a skim coat. And sometimes you skim 5 times if they don't want any texture, they want it perfect. But we're just going to do one, and we'll do an orange peel. Whenever you pull your bed coat tight, generally you don't have a whole lot of things sticking up, but you still need to check. So what you'll do is you'll check, run your hands on it some places, run your knife on it, knock off high spots, things that are hanging out. And you'll just do it out of habit. Now John's going to take over. I've done skins here. I haven't done that one. Those angles, this butt. Of course, you can tell I'm telling him. So I've done went over and knocked off.
This is Fat Boy's Drywall.
And the skim coat has probably twice as much water. Usually I put 1 sponge in for regular, and for a base bed coat, then maybe 2 sponges, sometimes 2.5 sponges for a skim coat. And then finally you water it down a whole lot more and you get a texture. Same mud.
You always stop the little line on your butt joint. When you're in it, you cover it up.
So your butt joints up and down with 2 pieces of butt together. Under the edge, and let it work from there. He likes using his big knife.
Who would? Right?
Edge and flatten it out.
Better do that one, hadn't we?
Beautiful. And then the angles.
I wonder what they done here. I don't know about that.
It stands up like a butt joint.
That's what I was getting at. I almost act like I could have cut edge here.
Standing up.
Huh?
Yeah, because it's standing up. You see the.
Well, it looks like they. I thought they hung the top first down there and come down with it. And I think that's what they done here. You put that cut edge up and just put it down.
A lot of times, finishers are old time hangers. That's good for them if they have been hangers, because they know how to hang it right. So you get home behind an old hanger, you start arguing with him, he'll tell you, look, I used to hang, I know. That's how you do it.
I work with hangers and finishers, and I learned to do both the right way.
Especially if you're falling up behind yourself.
Yeah. You care more when you care more when you have to finish your lousy hanging.
Either that one or the bottom part of that one.
Oh,
That one in that corner. Does that look good?
the angle, you can do right both of them, looks like.
I think, well, maybe I did.
That ain't right.
But your skim coat, you want to pull it tight. You won't want a lot of slop, and you want a thin mud to make sure. Feather your edges as good as you can. Count on, if you're new at it, to have to sand. But in our case, we do a lot of sponging on the edges. And, maybe touch up here and there where there's a, see this right here? If this was to stand up and dried, you just pull over that and hide it.
A little lap mark, that's what we call it.
Instead of, well, I just made it worse, but instead of going over it this way, we'll just pull this way and then flatten it out.